Well, here we are at Fullstanton on this lovely wet Sunday morning, the first morning session of the last day of qualifying for the Fullstanton rally competition. As you can see, the gentleman on the green there practicing away, taking advantage of the half an hour allowed. The young Paddy going across the green there. Half an hour allowed practice. Let's just have a quick look at the top end there if we can. People still booking in. Glenn Cookson has just arrived. He may be going on a little run, and once he's settled down he's there with his wife in the right hand corner. And there's young Agger and Rob. And the booking in quarter. There's Mr. Cookson coming onto the green, going to have a roll to see what the conditions are like. And we have to our right here, Tommy Johnson. He's been here 10 minutes or so. He's come all the way from Warrington on his own. Has a run up. He's telling me his mate's gone to Alan Green. Alan's Green. There's an array of talent on show this morning. Mr. Clutton from Mere Social with his multicoloured balls. As you can see, it's quite an array. Mr. Cookson there saying, do I know what I'm doing? I've never known what I'm doing. And it's on video. Just having a look around the green. So there's another arrival here. Gentleman coming up with his son, having a look. He'll be going to book in. He hasn't got a coat on. I bet he's thinking, what am I doing here this time of the morning? Tommy? Smile on his face. Well, I don't know whether it's a smile or a growl. He seems to be enjoying it anyway, at the moment. We'll see. Mr. Robinson walking toward your right of the screen there, having a roll. And we have Dave Rogers, son of Selwyn, a very famous gentleman that used to do all the circuits. I'm afraid he doesn't bowl at the moment. He has physical problems with his hip and his knees. Still playing table tennis, I believe, though. It's just a matter of keeping his joints going. It's a different kettle of fish when you've got a bowl. And Mr. Rogers coming across. Hi Dave, you alright? We have the Parks president or chairman standing there, the gentleman without his arms folded, and next to him is Mr. Ian Beach. You see inside there, there's a face I recognise there. He's married to my niece, just hidden there. Paul Inskip there, yes, you can just see him. And Glenn Cookson just in front of him there. There you are, a nice little insight into the proceedings for this morning. I'm afraid the rain is coming down again. I'm going to pan just across now to see Paddy. There's young Paddy McGuinness, all the way from Birmingham. Did very well last week at West Brom. Did very well indeed. Not sure whether he made the quarterfinals, to be quite honest with you. I'm not very good on dates and things, but he's travelled down here on his own. And he's arrived without his trainers. He's had to borrow a pair off a friend who's here. He's got a spare pair in his bag. That's a gentleman from the local area. The problem being is if Paddy wins with them, he'll want to keep them. So I'm afraid it'll be bye-bye trainers if Paddy wins. I guarantee he'll want to keep them. Well, that's just a little insight before the proceedings start into the condition. And Mr. David Robinson walking past there, and well, the spectators just arriving as the rain just started to team down again. I don't know. And the organiser has shouted for the green to be cleared. That means that we're nearly there, ready for the start of the proceedings. Everybody's clearing the green now, and the first coupling will be on in a moment. And that's where they'll start from there. The organiser is just collecting the jacks up, and you can see the rain's teeming down. Very good indeed.